everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to see someone's birthday on Snapchat. So for that, what you need to do is open the Snapchat application first and then get logged in into the account. Now once you have been logged in into the account, what you need to do is you need to tap on the chat section, tap that, and from here you select a friend from the chat history. Tap upon that. Once you tap upon that, you need to tap on the small rocket shaped icon at the very side of your screen. Tap that. Once you tap that, you will have all this option, and from there you need to tap on birthday. Tap that. Right after you tap that, Snapchat will generate a list of upcoming birthdays. The app orders the date chronologically, meaning you will see birthdays coming up very soon. You will be able to see all the birthdays of your friend. Here you can see on the more birthdays. So this is how you will be able to check your friend's birthday on Snapchat. Hope this video was useful on how you can check friend's birthday on Snapchat. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.